That's the way with me. I was trying to do it the other day there down that interstate, and Doris had her phone up, and I was trying to hold mine. I was all over the place. But it done some damage. Wow. Got a handful in that old dude, ain't it? Wow, boy, it just mow-docked it up there, man. You look at that. That's what it looks like over on the interstate. But there's a bunch of houses involved there. Like a toothpicks, buddy. Good night, man. Wow, wow, wow. I mean, it is they upgraded that thing from an EF4 to a 4.
Yeah, right on.
That's just remarkable.